Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here from FOREX Traders. I'm here with a trade recap on how I managed to make about $3,100, catching about 120 pips, accounting for 1 to 17 risk to reward ratio on AUD NZD. So for that and more, watch the rest of the video. All right, so let me just show you where it all started from, right? So you can see from here, this was actually sent on Sunday. This was our Sunday forecast right here, where we was able to send all these forecasts right here. And among these forecasts right here was AUD NZD. My idea here was simple. I had a very beautiful drop-based rally to the upside. Then I saw the market compressing towards this area right here. So therefore, what I wanted was for the market to push to the upside, then drop and continue to go in that direction. You can see that my stop loss was just 5 pips and my target was 120 pips. And a day later, this is what happened right here. You can clearly see that this was a beautiful, beautiful trade. So if you can go to the higher time frame right here, you're going to see something really, really clean right here. We had this drop based rally, and then we had this break of structure. And if you can see the character of the candles that were left behind here that broke structure, these were very significant candles, and which always tells us that there's plenty of smart money in the market. And whenever there is those big candles, you have to be alert, because you know that there's a higher chance that the market may come to our level. And you can clearly see that right here, the market pushed to this area here right here, and then pushed to the upside. And this happened early in the morning, like it was early in the morning, and I was unable to take this trade. And the market went to this area right here. So breaking structure right here, you can clearly see that we had break of structure right here. And then the market started to pull back in the morning, right? In the early morning around 7 a.m. in the morning right here. And then one thing which also caught my eye here is that the market took out the low of the Asian range, and then it came into this zone here. And this right here was our trigger for entry. And after we got that confirmation on the lower time frame right there, then I was able to actually share this trade with our private community right here in the signals community. You can see that this was the trade right here. It was sent yesterday on the 20th of March, and this was the signal to enter right here. And guess what? The market pushed the upside, going and until it reached TP right here for 120 pips and 1 to 17.6 risk to reward ratio, which was absolutely amazing. And I'm going to pop the screenshot right here, so that you can see that I was able to actually take this trade. This was absolutely amazing, and everyone in the private community that got involved, congratulations. And that's how it was done. All right, so you're going to see that this is just one trade, and it can give us 1 to 17 risk reward ratio, right? So because of this, I don't mind taking 2-3 losses. I don't mind, because I only need that one good trade that's going to actually go in my direction, and I'll be able to make more money by doing that. Unfortunately, you have to do one thing, right? You need to be good at losing, because if you're not good at losing, it doesn't matter what career you had in the past. This industry doesn't really depend on your intelligence. As long as you don't really rearrange your mindset, you won't make it in this industry. You have to be able to accept losing, because losing is embedded in the market. Like the market is so random, such that you can lose at any particular time, even if you have a perfect setup. So there's no way to know which setup is going to work out, right? But you're always going to have beautiful trades like this one right here. So it's important for you to have a long-term mindset, focus over a series of trades. Don't think about a trade by trade basis, and keep on executing your edge, because you know that if you continue to do that, you are going to be profitable no matter what. And that's the kind of confidence that our system gives you. That's the kind of confidence that you get when you're part of our private community. So if you've been thinking of joining our private community, our M&F Mastery course, this is the right time for you to do it, because our community is actually grooming right now. We have a lot of people from different countries, and This is really, really good. So if you want to join us and if you really like the way we trade and you are struggling, you are not consistently profitable, our course gives you much more than you pay for, right? You get lifetime mentorship, get the course itself, which has over 30 videos, which are extensive videos explaining our strategy, risk management, and trading psychology, most importantly. All right. Other than that, you also get lifetime mentorship, lifetime signals, free trading journal, free trading plan, plus more. You can ask me questions at any particular time. We have Zoom calls every weekend. Every Saturday, we actually have trade reviews of the past week's trade, and then on Sunday we have trade forecast of the next week. So all these forecasts I've shown you right here were sent on Sunday, and we get to go through all of these setups so that you get prepared, so that even if I'm not there, you can still take these trades on your own, right? And that's the goal for all traders, to be able to trade independently, and that's what give you. All right. So if you're interested and you'd like to join us, the first link in the description gives you access to that. Or if you'd like to actually communicate with me, link is there in the description for my Telegram channel, for my Telegram inbox right there. So make sure you do that. You guys, I hope you found value in this video. Until next time, goodbye.